Christmas light timers. Christmas light timers are what control the time that the lights come on and off, and they're really quite simple. They can also be the main reason why something malfunctions. A quick note, timers do not keep time unless they are plugged in. Plug in the timer into a power source. Make sure that the timer has the lights plugged into the timer itself. There are two plugs here, two outlets in order to be plugged into. Lift the weatherproof cover, and inside you will see a white button, and on that white button to the right means that the timer is on, meaning it's in timer mode. Pushing that to the left automatically turns the lights on. We call that a manual override. So if you ever want to put them on, keep it to the left. When you turn it to the right, it's in timer mode. It keeps time by pressing the buttons down for the time period that you want it on. In this situation, I have it set to come on around 4:30 p.m. and turn off around 1 a.m. Now the time is judged by this clock. The arrow is what points to the time. So it simply turns to the right, and as I turn it to set the time, you'll notice the lights came on. The time right now is 6 p.m. At 6 p.m., we are in the on position noted by the depressed buttons.